There's drama with the Try Guys. I want to know.
Yes.
I need the tea. I need it.
So I like to start off my morning by cleaning up anything in the kitchen that I forgot to clean up the night before. And this helps me get inspired to cook and have a nice clean preparation space while at the same time streaming my favorite shows or listening to my favorite music.
You are a trigger. Sage? What's oh, your collar. Her collar is reflecting on the wall and she's trying to find it. She's tripping right now.
One of my favorite things to do is spray a lot of the gunk and caked on stuff with Dawn Power Wash. I had a baking sheet that I used and unfortunately left sitting overnight, and as well as this cutting board. So I like to spray it, spread it around a little bit. I'm using a scrub mommy and I let it sit and it kind of just breaks up all that gunk. I love this stuff. I use it on my counters. I use it to clean my litter box, and I even use it for my bathtub. It's great, and there's even some videos on YouTube of how to DIY your own, which is really cool. It has alcohol in it, so it disinfects the counters and all that good stuff. I know it sounds like they sponsored me, but I don't have enough subscribers for that. So this is my honest opinion. Man, there's nothing like a clean stove and kitchen. I kind of see it like a canvas. Now it's nice and clean, but I get to splatter all my paint all over it and dirty it again. Am I the only person who feels like this? Let me know in the comments down below. And since the weather was nice, I chose to start my day off with some iced coffee. After making my coffee, I'm putting away all of my laundry, folding and putting it on hangers, just to get myself a little more organized. I like having things playing on the TV so that it helps to make this process go by a little quicker in my mind. I like to have my hangers next to me so that I don't have to go back and forth to my closet, etc.
Hey, crazy. What are you looking at?
This I actually found on the side of the road. Someone was throwing it out on bulk day. Shocker, I picked it up. Your trash is my treasure. I didn't like where I had it in my pantry, and I'm actually going to cut it in half. To create this kind of shelving U-shaped situation in my pantry, and it's actually going to give me more space than what I had before. Does anyone else have a really nosy tabby cat like MJ? He wants to be involved in everything. At this point, I whip out the big guns, my circular saw, which I'm using to cut this bad boy in half. So at first I tried to eyeball it, but it wasn't working out. So I ended up using my yardstick and a permanent marker, which I had to do twice because the line was crooked. And it kind of guided me to make a straight line, or as straight as possible. I continued that same process on the other side, and well, the other side as well, just so I kept things straight. And well, I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for next week's video to see how this turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, do so, and like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!